small innocent girl was assaulted and murdered. But do you know the accused in this case was already thrown out of his own village? May 1st, Maharashtra Day. When the whole state was celebrating with happiness, a very cruel and inhuman incident happened in Nasrapur of Pune district, which has brought shame to the humanity. A small innocent girl was assaulted and murdered. But do you know the accused in this case was already thrown out of his own village 20 years ago? In today's video, we will see the full story of this incident and the shocking past of this criminal who was so inhuman. The main accused in this case is Bhimrao Kamble. He is originally from Salewadi village in Bhor Taluka. But the shocking thing that 20 years ago, the villagers of Salewadi had already passed a resolution and removed him from the village. You may wonder why this decision has been taken place, but why? Because of his dirty and prevented behavior from the beginning itself, Bhimrao had bad intentions. His behavior with women in the village was very inappropriate. He had misbehaved with many women, including women from his own family and the village. If a member of his own family is not safe, what would other women do? At the time, 2 serious cases were already filed against him. The villagers understood that if this man stayed in the village, no woman would be safe. So they took a strong decision and banned him from the village. After leaving the village, this criminal came to the Nasrapur area. He had no proper home and used to do small labor jobs to survive. And maybe think next whom to target. But as people says, a person does not change easily. It may take time. I don't think this man can change easily. On May 1st, when an innocent girl was playing near a temple, he was working there carrying bricks. Seeing that no one was there around, he trapped the girl with some excuse and took her to the nearby cow shed. After assaulting her, he killed the little girl. During assault and after killing her little girl, he kept socks in his mouth. Literally a sock in his mouth. On that day, there was a power cut in the village. Most CCTV cameras were not working. The criminal must have thought that he would escape. As we say, justice works silently and miracles does happen. You can think this was a miracle only when a camera from a house near the temple was running on a battery and it recorded Bhimrao taking the girl with him. When the girl went missing, villagers started searching for her. Shockingly, the accused also acted like he was helping in the search. But when people started asking him questions, he gave unclear answers which increased a doubt on him. When people started doubting on him, that was a time when the police took him into the custody and he confessed to his crime. After this incident, there is a huge anger in Bhor and Rajgarh Taluka. On Sunday, as we have seen, a complete shutdown was observed. Hotels, shops and markets were closed. Nasrapur itself remained shut for 3 days. At Khed Shivapur Toll Plaza, people protested by burning tires. People have only one demand: strict punishment for this criminal. After the post-mortem report has come out, it is clearly shown how cruel he was. The report shows serious injuries on the child's body, which proves how brutally the crime was. As we have seen from the past years, getting justice in Indian law is very difficult. That could be Nirbhaya case or this case. In India, law is so slow that finding justice brings people on the grounds. Protests take place. The happenings takes place for 3 days. After the 3 days, the shut begins. After the 3 days, the entire India gets silent and start getting to other work. But what about getting justice for this 3-year-old child or any criminal case or assault case that has been taken place in India? Justice needs to be taken as quick as possible. If a person does not think about assault, then why the Indian law is waiting for the judgment? stay alert for the safety of your children. With camera person Ajay, I am Harjit Kaur from Pune Times Mirror, Pune.